Hey guys, welcome to my channel, PokeTubers. Today we're opening two Stellar Crowns booster pack. Let me open one. Alright, Basic Energy, Palmy, Fletchling, Marrow, Gossifleur, Toadscruel, Gravity Gemstone, Veluza, Drifloon, Tortuga, and a Buffalon for the regular rare. Alright, next pack. Alright, Basic Energy, Charjabug, Hoot Hoot, Grobin, Grievard, Carbonable, Glass Trumpet, Talonflame, Ladiva. Oh my god, we got a Joltik Special, it's a raw rare, and a metal. Look at that. That looks awesome. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Please share, like, and subscribe. Thank you.